Okay, we're continuing with experiment 4, simple pendulum parameters. Uh, we've done a simulated experiment using varying angle, mass, and length. The damping portion can't be done by simulation. We need a real a real pendulum to see how it decays. We can adjust some damping on the simulated experiment, but I didn't feel that would be realistic. So I've set up an experiment where uh, we're going to use the little 100 gram. It's just a baby food jar with some nuts and bolts to make it up to 100 grams. I've actually got um, uh, the uh, the edge of the baby food jar. Since you can't see where the center of mass is, we're just going to relate everything to the edge of it. And so we're going to start with this uh, at 20. You probably can't. Well, let's see. Let's put it where we can see it. Okay, it's 20 by parallax. It's 20. That's something I can't get around when using a camera. So you're just going to use your the view on your camera to take the data. Okay, and we're gonna let it go. Let me see if I can. There's the 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. And that's probably good enough because it's kind of going at an angle. But my guess, I did this earlier with a key, and it was about 112 centimeters, 1.1 meters. My guess is this is about the same, about probably maybe about 110 centimeters. The length of that's really the length of the string. I don't know what the length is to the center of mass, but the length of the string is about 110 centimeters. I'll report it when I post this on the on Canvas.